welcome to Vanya's Vegan Voyage. Today I have a super special episode ready for you. We're going to be making something really awesome, something that a lot of people don't think it's possible to make. We're going to be making vegan boiled eggs. I'm so excited. So without further ado, let's get started. Can't wait to make these vegan eggs. Lovely vegan boiled eggs on a gluten-free vegan bread toast and smooshed up avocado with some pepper and salt. The look is absolutely incredible, but now for the taste test, let's see what it tastes like. It is so big. Oh my god, that's what she said, but I'm bummed. This is absolutely heavenly. I really hope that you guys loved watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like it, share it, subscribe to my channel, and if you made this lovely little boiled egg, share it with your friends, because sharing is caring. If there's anything else you would like for me to make, please let me know in the comments below and I will make sure to make a video about it. So, don't be jelly while I'm devouring this. This is just absolutely amazing. Oh,